Hey, good afternoon, folks. Welcome to Peepaw's Shop. I got a new product here I want to share with you. The company sent this to me. Darex company sent this to me, asked me if I'd review it. And this is an edge banding iron. That's what that is. It's digital, got a digital display on it. Well, let's just open up and see what's in the box. How about that? Hey, look at that. Look at that. Man, that is pretty sharp. Looks like a little miniature iron, just like it's supposed to. Easy to hold, easy to handle. Salt to go over your iron, keep that thing protected when it's being stored. Sometimes you just got to think these things through. Alright, so we got a electrical cord here. Looks like it's probably about 6 feet long. And y'all know what these are for. You got an adjustment up here. Alright, here we go. We got some power on it. And I'll let y'all see that right there. It's got 100 degrees Celsius, and you can set that thing. Turn it down. There's Fahrenheit. Alright. Alright, let's go back through this again. It's off right now. We're going to press that down, hold it. It goes to set so that you can set your temperature, whatever you think you need to be. And you hit that thing again, and it goes on. Okay? So 75%, I guess, or 75 degrees is probably, so it's heating up, counted up 77, 78. Like that. Should be able to feel a little heat coming on that thing. So what you do is just lay that thing in that hot iron for just a minute until you got up to temperature. Okay, because I want to do a good review on this thing. I bumped her up to 350. It seems to have stopped at 345. I'm going to give you a look one more time at this iron. Teflon coated, smooth, scratch resistant surface is what they say. So I'm going to take this banding, hold it right here on this edge. Try to get it right now nice there to the edge over there side. See? And I trim it. So we'll just iron it like that. There it is. Let's sit on this end just a moment. There it is. Hey, I like that. Now what y'all think about that? This is a Darex digital tri-LCD sealing iron. Hey, I like the way it works. I like the way it handles. I like the controls on it. It's now turned off. I like the fact it came with a little place to set the iron on. I'll get my little trimming tool out and trim that little piece off right there. Hey, listen, if y'all looking for a good iron to do your trimming with, give this a check. This Darex. Give it a look. I think it's going to work out well for me. If it works out well for me, I believe it'll work out well for y'all. Meantime, y'all have a blessed day.